Well, Brandon, how you doing, man?
Good, man. Thanks for stopping by.
What are you gonna be bringing for us on Easter?
So we're gonna be bringing Shiver. And this is our Blueberry American Wheat beer. It's 5.9% alcohol, 18 IBUs. So it's a Blueberry American Wheat. It should.
Stop, wait a minute. This is a really great beer, man. Thank you so much.
Oh, well, I'm glad Blueberry was here.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
But yeah, so you should still get a little bit of the flavor from the blueberry.
This is really good beer.
But you should still taste some of the blueberry. But you should still taste the beer as well. It's really refreshing. It's one of our higher selling beers, and it's one of my favorite beers too. Not say, hey, do you guys have like a blueberry wheat beer? And she's like, what are you talking about? I'm like, I just want a blueberry wheat beer.
Yeah.
And so we just started playing with the batch, doing some pilot stuff, and we just came up with this recipe.
Yeah.
And it's one of my favorite beers.
Yeah, it's a good beer.
Got a lot more guys are actually starting to kind of convert over to more of the drinkable beers and crushable beers and the easy to drink stuff, the lighter beers. Mm-hmm. This seems to be like the middle road for everybody. Which is exactly why we made this beer.
I like it. It's really great. We're actually launching our blueberry cobbler white chocolate cheesecake as well. And I think it's gonna pair well with that. We're gonna have a lamb on the rotisserie as well. We'll be basting that with olive oil, lemon, and oregano, making really awesome lamb sliders. So I know this mountain of a man could probably eat 25 lamb sliders. I didn't realize how big you were until you stood next to me in video. And I'm like,
when I go to this restaurant, I also eat these Mount Olympus too.
Mount Olympus platter, that's a good one, yeah. With one of my really good friends, Joe Trevino, and he is going to be just one more addition we're having for Easter this Sunday. So definitely make sure you stop by and check him out. He's also going to sneak in actually the day before and play a little bit for a Saturday brunch. So that's all coming up.
We do a nice mix of relaxing pop music, pop standards.
Okay.
From the past.
And I know he takes requests. Any Johnny Cash in you? There you go. So we'll be taking requests all Easter long. Also Saturday brunch. Come in here. Come see Joe. Come support local artists. Listen to some great music and have a great time at Old Bug Creek Tavern.
This thing, all up. Well, I just can't handle it. This thing, all up. Well, I must get around to it. Kinda like it. Crazy little thing called love. Well, this thing, all up, well, it shakes. In a cradle all night, it swings, it jives. Shakes all over like a jellyfish, kinda like it. Breathes a little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. Give me hot and cold fever. She leaves me in a cold, cold sweat. I've gotta be cool, relax, get here, but get on my tracks, take a backseat, relax. Take a long ride home my motorbike till I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love.